Hi friends, my name is Raghav and today we are going to make this cool tank and I'll teach you how to make it. First you have to take a big paper or small, whichever paper, and please turn it into half like this. And if you don't know how to cut it, take a scale, keep it in the middle and then start ripping it. So I won't be doing that because I can do it properly. Or if you want to learn from me, you can learn. So after when you have done making these two strips, take one strip and keep it a bit aside. And then take the strip that you have chosen and fold it into half too. But then don't cut it again because we are not going to cut. Then when you're done doing this, then do it like that you are making a plane, but we are not going to make a plane. Okay. Then after you done this, take this part and touch it here. After you have done this, now take these parts and don't do like this. Actually, basically you have to do this. After when you have done this, take it and keep it like this, so that you don't, and keep this below and then fold it. After you have done folding this, then fold this upper bit like this. After you have done this, the strip that is this, do it like this. Just fold it. After you have done like this, you have to keep this a bit aside and then take this one and start making some gaps in it and then keep this strip inside. Same with the other side. After you have done this, we have to do this. You have to do this. So I changed this and this, I did that. Then you see this point, we will fold it. After you are done folding it, take the other strip that I said to keep it aside. Take the other strip and keep the tank that we have made, keep it a bit aside. We will need it later. After you have done cutting it, you have two strips now. Take one and keep it a bit side. We will need it later. But first we need this one. And then we'll start rolling it. After you have done rolling it, you see the end part, just press it. Now take the tank, keep it here. Like this, okay. And after this is done, we take the other strip and then fold it again. But this time you have to cut it again. After you have make two strips, roll them. Even do the same like we did to the big this. After we have done this, keep it in here. And this, we just have to fold it again. After you have done folding these, now roll them from this small side. After you have done rolling it, squish the end and then keep it here. Take this other part and do the same thing. And then when we are done rolling this, keep it here. And your tank is done. And if you wanted to start rolling, take these and keep it here for now. And then you see this strip, and there is a gap here, so make them do like that, and then it will be big. From here do the same to make it big, and your tanks are done. Thank you.